And like, for some reason, every room I go in is like messy. What the hell? This place is a dump.
I have a question. Is it too early?
It's August. Yes.
Okay, so that's what you want to get?
Yeah.
She's not scary? Okay.
She looks nice.
Okay, so I am going to wash the fruit. I'll show you guys how I do that. Okay, now I'm gonna add some apple cider vinegar and just let it sit there. Bless you, bye-bye. Oh, I got my museum card? Yeah. Nice. And then I just repeat the process. I do think I'm gonna peel these carrots though. I washed, peeled, and now I'm making them into carrot sticks. So I'm making the salmon now. I'm just gonna do a little lemon juice. And do you want olive oil on it or no?
No, it dries it out.
Okay, lemon juice and garlic salt. Okay, so I just put it in there and I bake it at 425 for 25 minutes. The salmon is ready and now I'm just making a little vegetable olive situation with some butter and olive oil, salt and pepper, and pasta for bye-bye. Having my salmon with my butter, garlic, vegetable mix.
Pumpkin.
That's right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and this week's vlog. Cut my hair. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know this. If you're new, then you're like, it's still long. What are you talking about? My hair was like down to here. I'll put some pictures, but I just needed change for fall. This is like my pre-fall content before we get into like real fall and my fall series that I do every year, Oztober, where it's like more Halloween, fall vibes. But anyway, this is gonna be a very wellnessy vlog because I've just been so into my health and my fitness. I posted this reel and you guys asked for recipes for everything. So whenever I'm trying to like get healthy, I'll start like making it while we're talking. I make the same thing every single day for breakfast, and that's what was in that what I eat in a day quick reel on my Instagram. If you like spice, you're gonna love this easy egg breakfast. Get this homemade salsa verde. I found it from Whole Foods and I get the medium. Okay, so the first thing is butter on the pan. We're gonna take some chunky salt. Okay, we're gonna take some chunky salt. When you make these kind of eggs, you wanna cook it on low, by the way. I'm adding some pepper. And then I just flipped it like shit, sorry, but I'm holding my camera and flipping at the same time. Okay, just completely missed my toast. Okay, then I take salsa verde. I just like pour it on top. It's so simple, that breakfast, but I literally go to bed excited to have it in the morning. I've had to train my body to like breakfast because I never used to, and I feel like it was just messing up my hormones, and I would get so hungry later in the day where I felt shaky just like out of nowhere. Like my hunger cues were like totally off. Okay, so we're on our way to the farmer's market and we're looking for the best coconut water. Ooh.
They're so good, right?
Yeah, bye!
Is that good?
I love being here on a windy day. Yum.
Would you like to try both?
Yeah, we'll try both.
In a little bit, we're gonna be doing.
Beautiful day. We're gonna go swimming. Just got home. I don't know if you guys ever do this. We don't always do this, but it has happened before where we have errands to do and we just got done with the farmer's market. And we're like, okay, we need to just go to Whole Foods. Like we need to stock up. We literally pulled in and then pulled out. We're like, you know what? We're going home. We're going swimming and we're gonna Instacart our groceries. I just placed a Whole Foods delivery and I'm gonna show you guys the dinner that was in that reel. So you guys want a recipe for that chicken. And I think what made that chicken so delicious is these two things. Couscous, and I whipped up Greek yogurt with olive oil and chunky sea salt as like the dressing. Delicious. This is the hair as I attempt to not ruin my blowout when I go in the pool. How do you feel?
Great.
Is it warm?
It is, but it's not like bathtub hot like it is sometimes.
Okay, you can't have a pool day without a good snack, so I just did the dip that we just got from the farmer's market. And what's funny about this dip is I literally watched Kristen Cavallari make this on her TikTok last night. Came on my For You page and I was like, you know what? I kind of want to make that in my blender, give it a shot. The exact same dip the lady made at the farmer's market. It looks like it's avocado, but it's not. It's lime juice, cilantro, jalapeno. If you want to make it at home, you can follow Kristen's recipe. Okay, so this was the dinner you guys saw in my reel, and I got so many comments and DMs saying recreate it in a YouTube video. So first you need grilled chicken. Jared used a Primal Kitchen marinade, and then I do the veggie mix. So while I'm chopping the veggies, I'm also making some couscous. I like this garlic one. And I cook the veggies in butter and olive oil. So I did a mix of cherry tomatoes, asparagus, a purple onion. You could switch this up too and do zucchini. The only spices I use for this is salt and pepper because there is so much flavor.
Right there.
Yeah, there. You can scrub it good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Need some more water.
Okay, let me see you spray it. Oh, good.
And then need some.
Okay, so for this is the dip that I had in my reel that you guys liked on Instagram. So you want to use Greek yogurt, whole milk, full fat. Yeah, I know. That's good.
That's good.
Right? Then you're going to take a little olive oil. We're going to be doing more, so don't get crazy with it yet. Then chunky sea salt. I don't have a ton. A little more, just more for the look. I leave that on the table and me and Jared scoop it on top of everything. Okay, so I already scooped my couscous, but I just want to show you this really quick. You want to get the juices in there, okay, because that's what's going to make, and I kind of put it kind of everywhere. That's like the butter and everything that we just did. Good morning, ladies. May your coffee be strong like mine today. What? Come here. Come here. Don't move. Why? Oh, Violet had a runny nose last night, so she was up every hour. And we're out of that phase. Like, my girl sleeps the entire night. When she goes to bed at 8, sometimes 8:30, she sleeps until the morning. So I always know it's like kind of my indication that something, she doesn't feel good if she wakes up. Me and Jared are hanging out by a thread this morning. Cool. Put on a workout set and we're gonna go on a family walk. And you have your princesses under toilet paper. She's pretending it's a blanket. That's so cute. Let me see them sleeping. They're sleeping. Aww. Everyone's sitting. You want to take a picture of them? Good. Vi's got her little camera. You guys are going to grooming, right?
right.
It looks like our flowers at home. Okay, I really like pots at Lowe's. This is where we get almost all of our pots. And they're a really good price too. I think gray would look nice.
Yeah,
What do you think about gray?
Yeah, I think it would.
And there's more gray. There's like smooth gray down that way. This one. And I think that's a good price for that size.
Yeah, it's better color scheme for the backyard.
Yeah. Yeah, that one. Our neighbors were like, the neighborhood goes all out for Halloween. And me and Jared were like, okay, that's awesome. We love Halloween. And they're like, yeah, like they decorate and they do things here. And we're like, okay, we're working on it. These are a band.
Spooky.
So good. You're helping Dad. Okay, so this guy we pulled out a little bit more just so we can see, because I used to have him here, and as you can see with the roof, it's a little bit more shaded. He wasn't really doing so well, and then Jared pulled him out, and now he's doing a lot better. Okay, so I moved the little one over here, and eventually I want to find an outdoor table for this one to sit on. I don't want to use those because we actually like eat on those and put our drinks on those. But yeah, I think like elevate him, and then I love the way this one looks. Like I love that gray pot. Okay, for a snack today I'm having bone broth, and everyone always asks what brand I buy, and this is the one I've been using just because it's so easy. You just pour it right in. While my bone broth is heating up, I just want to say, anybody considering the Prada sunglasses, try these. These are from Amazon. I'm going to link them in my description, but they even have like the same look. And for me, it's like I'll pay for designer sunglasses if I think they're going to be classics. Like a lot of mine that I have, I feel like they're not like overly trendy. I feel like this shape, it's a little trendy. We just put Violet to bed, and Jared's a freaking idiot. Ow. Give me that ball. No, you are, because he's complaining to me that I had the light on, but he...
Oh, you compromised the,
mission?
The, lift off to Sleepy Town.
This is the thing, Jared has this ASMR voice. We need to YouTube you reading Night Night Farm. It's a children's book.
You're
and
welcome.
When he...
It's gonna be pay-per-view though. I need to be paid for this.
When he reads it, Violet's like...
She's out. Having a little brewski.
This is
It's just me and my mustache. Who needs my whole fucking head in?
No, nobody asked for that. They said they want to see more Jared. They didn't say they need like
Not
a
100%
cinematic
of it.
experience.
Yeah, I got it. What up, squad?
Yeah, everyone's always like, have more Jared there. Jared just says like the same 3 things.
What are those 3 things? Yeah, Violet doesn't like it face forward.
Yeah, she always says, turn it around.
Backwards. She does it with her hand. No, Daddy. Backwards.
Mortgages, taking bad photos of my wife and posting them, coming home, drinking my beer.
That's right. All right, this guy
in the
knows
gym.
his shit. Yeah, yeah.
Babe, I had a good workout today. I'm like, hey Jared, I made salmon. I had a great workout today.
No.
You're like, hey Jer, I used every pan in the entire kitchen and left them all in the sink for you. What do you think?
No, but the salmon was really good, but yeah, there you go.
Could be me.
Yeah, the thing is really like messy in here, and like I don't know why. I had a little drink in this room and in that room and a little snack over there, and like for some reason every room I go in is like messy.
What the hell? This place is a dump. No, listen, this is why we have systems and order.
Wait, does that say that that's organic farm fair trade? Oh, and a crystal was in it? I gotta try that. It'll be good for my gut biome and my chakra and my spirit. Oh, this tastes like really good. Where'd you get it from? Oh, it wasn't Whole Foods? Yeah, this can't be good for you.